All right, welcome again to Eface Growth Hub. My name is Shedrak. All of you know me here. So today, a quick one. I want to talk about shares, and most especially, I want to focus on IPO and PO. IPO means initial public offering, while PO means public offer. Let me start from IPO. Why I'm saying this is because so many people have been chatting me up, asking me because of the Dangote IPO that is coming, Dangote refinery IPO that is coming. So many people will be chatting me and be asking me, how do I go about this? IPO actually means initial public offering. That is to say, the company is trying to sell some units or part of the unit of itself to the public. That is to say, they're inviting the public to come and buy, to come and invest in the company, own some portion of that company. And in Nigeria context, the Nigerian Stock Exchange group is the one in charge to handle this trade or this particular business. The Nigerian Stock Exchange connects the company and the investor. In this case, you are the investors. So IPO means this company has not been listed in Nigerian Stock Exchange. The public don't have access to buy the shares, but this time around is the first time they want to go public to allow people to own their shares. And an example is Dangote oil refinery that is coming up very soon. Dangote oil refinery is planning to do their IPO by maybe September, hopefully. Then PO, which is public offer, has to do with a company that has gone public, a company that people have already bought their shares, but this time around they want to raise more capital, or they want more liquidity. So they are offering more investors the chance to come and buy into the company. That is, if the company has 100 units of shares and they have sold 60 to the public, at this particular time, that 60, let's say 50 people bought that 60 units of that company, and this time around they want 100 people. They have 50 already, so they're looking for extra 50 persons to come and invest because they need money. The implication that is going to crash down the price of the shares for the short run. As that particular time they are doing the public offering, so it's going to shut down the price of the shares, though it has potential to grow, but that is how it works. So that is different between IPO and PO. IPO, a company that have not gone public and that is going public for the first time, inviting shareholders or inviting investors to come and invest into their company. While PO, a company that are already public but need to raise more funds, and they need you to bring in your funds to invest with them. All right. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so and subscribe, because in this place we talk about shares, talk about business growth, we talk about investing and creating wealth. Also, I have a private channel where I do teach students everything you have to know about shares, and I have a class coming up very soon. I'll put the link in the comment section. You can register for that class. It's as cheap as anything. In fact, it's almost free. Just click the link and you will see everything you need to know about the upcoming class. In the class, I'm going to teach you about shares and stock, fundamental analysis, how to know the right stock to buy, to know the right company to invest in, when to buy, when not to buy, how to buy, brokers to use, and all that. So that is just by the way. Next week, I will do another video. I will talk about right issues and every other thing, some other things that you have to know about the shares. Keep following this channel, keep following this page for everything about shares, everything about business growth. God bless you. See you on the other side.